your fingers. Yes or no? Then you feel hot. It is clear?
Yes.
Go to your place. Then boys, anyone come. It is a container B. It is a cold water container. Okay, just touch it. What is your feeling? Cold. He feels cold. What is the reason here? So this is the one body. Your fingers is first body. The water is second body. Both are in contact. Okay, na? So the heat energy transfers from your fingers to water. Your fingers lost heat. Then you feel cold. Okay? Heat lost by your fingers to water. Okay, na? Now you feel this is a cold. Yes or no? Okay? So very good. Go. Anybody come.